Good morning, my name is Steven and welcome to Balcony Cabin 8261 aboard Carnival Radiance. We're going to be staying here for 3 nights, but that's not the important part. You clicked on this video because you were interested strictly about the balcony room. That is, the balcony room. You're interested strictly in the balcony room, so we're gonna get right to the tour. Starting over here at the front door with all your emergency instructions, you can come right in. You'll find a closet immediately right over to the right, our left side, with a life jacket, a safe, which is kind of weird because you need your credit card to unlock this. Not really sure what the deal with that is, but maybe I'm just not used to Carnival. Maybe that's the thing that they normally do. Maybe it's a smart system. And you'll have your closet, which these closets are actually separated into 2. So there's one set on the right side with hanger space and a little bit of bottom space as well. And then there is another set on the left side with hanger space as well. And then we'll find our mini fridge on the bottom. Not too big of a mini fridge, to be honest, quite small, but that's just enough to store a drink or 2 that you bring back to the cabin. So that is it for storage. And over on the opposite side, oh, can't forget about this. You need to put your key card in here in order for the lights to work. You find your light switches there. Then we find the bathroom, which, oh, that's the wrong light switch. There it is, the bathroom. The most important part of the cabin, arguably. You have a nice, lovely sink with a soap bar that is unopened. A few shelves here to go ahead and put some items down. Not the biggest shelving space, to be quite frank with you, but that's okay. Got some tissues, trash cans for you. Toilet paper down here, new toilet roll, towels. Very important, those towels. Put it back on the towel rack if you want to use it again. Put the towel on the floor if you want to exchange it. Down here is the toilet, not the most exciting thing. Here is the shower with your shampoo and shower gel complimentary. You can go ahead and use it in these really cool dispensers. I kind of like them. Save on waste instead of giving you a new soap bar for every cabin. Pretty fresh, and no one's gonna be stealing soap on board the ship, unfortunately, though. Then when it comes to space, it's actually quite nice. I am not the tallest person in the world, but I do have quite a bit of space. Shower is adjustable in temperature, of course, and adjustable in height. So for those of you who are taller, might be good. Then there is a clothes rack, if you want to pull it, right over there that will go right across. That's it for the bathroom. Coming out of the bathroom, we will find a thermostat to control the temperature. Jalen sitting on the couch. They do give you 2 towels to take out to the sun for the pool deck, or if you want to take it out on shore, you can go ahead and do that as well, which is a really cool thing that I didn't know that they had. All you have to do is bring it back to the cabin, make sure that those towels end in the cabin. Do not leave them anywhere else or else you'll get charged for it. Then across on the right side, we have charged water for $3.95, a phone to contact guest services or anyone else we want, a cool little inaugural book. I don't know what that book is actually. We'll read it maybe later in our video. QR code directory, some documentation about stuff, a TV, which is a little scuffed. Not really sure what happened there, but that's okay. A really weird remote. And then down below, we have some storage for you as well. Then to the main attraction, the bed, where everyone is going to be sleeping. Well, not everyone is going to be sleeping on this bed. Just everyone sleeps on a bed. I hope they sleep on a bed. You can sleep wherever you want. I mean, I guess you could sleep on the couch. Anyways, that's not really the important part. This bed is a queen bed. It does split into 2 twins. You can go ahead and move those shelves or those nightstands in between it in case if you wanted to. So if you're a couple who wants to sleep together in the same bed, or if you hate each other and you want to sleep in separate beds, that is totally fine as well. There is a light switch in between there as well. So in case if you accidentally hit the bed and you don't want to get up, Carnival has thought of that for you. So that way you can just go ahead and flip the light switch off. Then on to the main attraction. More storage. Just a little cabinet there, shelving, shelving, shelving. I'm just kidding, the main attraction's right here, the balcony, which is a push door. I almost pulled. And here is the balcony view. Right now we're still in the port of Long Beach. We just boarded not too long ago. There's 2 chairs for you and a nice table. Perfect area to come out and sit. And then there's a little bit of a window. Of course, make sure you don't lock the door on yourself. You'd lock it up here. So please, hopefully you don't do that. Someone doesn't trap you out there. Anyways, the curtain does close all the way in case if you do not want sunlight and you are a late riser like I am. Jalen's over here shaking her head.
The blinds have to stay open.
It's best practice to stay open. You have a balcony, you have a view, you want to be able to see whether it's day, night, or whatever. And honestly, the curtains allow you to make that choice She prefers it to be bright when it's daytime, so that way she knows to wake up. I prefer it to be dark because I want to stay sleeping. That's just a different mentality. Up to you when you go ahead and board the ship for yourself. If you enjoy this balcony tour, please leave a like on the video and maybe even consider checking out our full series on Carnival Radiance right here. Thank you so much for watching. As always, this isn't a goodbye, but just a see you real soon.